So yeah, the bathrooms at the Harris Nature Center, they're pretty clean. And they're open, so that's nice. Hi. It's a pretty day, isn't it? Another guy in the park. He's very friendly people. Got waste and recycle. Alright, let's go over here and look at the sign so we can learn more about the park itself. Alright, we got Meridian Riverfront Park rules. Stay on designated trails. Dogs must remain on a leash at all times. Uh-oh. Where's my leash? No, I'm just kidding. Clean up after your pet. Respectful skiers. Oh, so you get cross-country skiers. Money trails are restricted to walkers. 53 acres. Wow. Okay, so they tell you that the white trail's the shortest. Then they have a yellow and black trail. They're less than a mile. They're not bad. Harris Nature Center trails. Oh, that's Eastgate Park. Okay. Never mind. Sorry. We've been to Leg Park and Harris Nature Center. So right now we're at Harris Nature Center. So, okay. They got 3 trails in this one. Oh, and 5 trails in the Leg Park where we were just at. Okay. Neat. Okay. Oh, we can't do any campfires, camping, model airplanes, drones, fireworks, or loud noise music or amplifiers. Hunting, trapping, catching, killing, or removing of any animal. Collecting of any plants or animals. Wildflowers, mushrooms, fruits, insects, downwood, feathers. That's funny because me and my grandparents, when I was real little, and they were still kind of young, we'd go out shrooming, mushroom hunting, and I never understood why we were doing it. I think they were selling them or something for fun, or for extra income or something. But, yeah. It was just something that they had grown up doing. Haven't done it myself in a long time. But, yeah. That's funny, though, because it's one of their rules. No shrooming in the park. Oh, they have pet waste. This is like a really cool little jungle gym, I guess. First I thought it was like a weird storm drain or something. But I think it's something that they made into a natural jungle gym area. Look at this weird slide. It looks like a snake. So cool. There's more toys over there. Looks like we have a class or daycare, so. Hello. Hi, guys. Cool, man. There was like a whole class of little, like, probably first graders. They were so cute. But I didn't want to put them on camera, so. Hats off to the teachers at Cornell Elementary for taking your kids out for nature walks. Because the kids deserve that. They deserve to have space outside and to get fresh air. I know I am happy that I'm out here. It took me months to get outside and to realize that I do need to get in touch with nature. And now that I'm here, it's like going to the gym. Now that I'm motivated and I actually came out here and decided to start my blog, I'm so happy I did. Well, like, the trail itself, too, is, like, really easy to walk. Like, I literally have on flip-flops right now. So, but I can still walk it, you know. should probably have on tennis shoes, but yeah, I mean, it's a very user-friendly trail. There are some parks in Michigan that are not as easy to walk, so it's always good to wear at least tennis shoes, but for today, it's not bad. Yeah, this is so nice, so pretty. It's such a good time and time of day to go walking. It's like 9:30, 10 in the morning. The air is crisp. It just feels wonderful. So as you can see, we really had a lot of pretty wildlife in Michigan. A lot of good natural areas. And the trail goes that way. So we'll just keep walking for a little bit, see what we can find. It's quiet. I mean, you can kind of hear a little traffic, but nothing too major. And it really is beautiful back here. It's definitely worth taking a look at if you love parks or you just want to get out into wildlife. It's definitely worth it. All right. It's just beautiful. You know, I remember briefly when I was a kid going to, I think we went to Fenner or Waldemar nature centers, which I'll blog about those in the future.